Today we're going to talk about how to open online links safely using Browserling's Chrome extension. First, go to Google and click on the web store and search for Browserling. There it is. Now click the button to add the extension. Now you just installed the Browserling Chrome extension. Let's pin the Browserling extension to our address bar so it's always available. Open your extensions, select Browserling, click on the pen. Now the extension will be pinned to your address bar. Now let's try this out by going to nasa.gov. Open the Browserling extension, and it automatically gives you a list of all the links on the page. This connects you to Browserling servers where you can safely open and surf the links. NASA's news release page opens up inside of Browserling, and now you can surf the web page without worrying about getting your own computer infected by malware. Go ahead and try Browserling's Chrome extension yourself. Let us know what you think.